Kawadhi nyime ni kaunti ma Migori koro yawo ayanga chenro moro mabende biro konyo e geng'o landruok kute mag ayaki e kaunti no ero. Chenro mabende oyangi gi dho Ombogo kaka County AIDS Implementation Plan mabende biro chiwo negi yo makare magibiro tiyo godo e chiwo services mag kute mag ayaki. Koloso e sub county ma Uriri Migori kono ero, Gavana ma kaunti ma Migori Migosi Zachary Okoth Obado wacho ni okang' ma kamano ero bende biro konyo e duoko chien landruok kute mag ayaki. Omedo wacho ni rate mar kute mag ayaki e kaunti no ero osedok chien e kind oganda ma kono ero kowuok e atamalo 15 mabende entiere e higa mar 2016 nyaka atamalo 11.8 e higa ni eri. Owacho ni kwan mag joma odak kod kute ayaki e kaunti no ero ochung' e kwan mar 79,350 ka kwano ero riwo joma dongo kanyakla kod nyithindo.
Lazima tutoe hiyo kitu ambayo inaitwa stigma. Lazima tuende tutafute matibabu, lazima tumeze dawa sawa sawa, and then we can live until the ages of the days that God the Almighty created for us. I want to laud the great efforts that has been extended to us by our development partners, and equally I want to appreciate my staff for working hand in hand with our development partners, and the results are now very, very clear. You have heard the statistics that some counties that are neighboring us are still reporting very, very high figures, like 17%, 16%, but our figure as the people of Migori has reduced to around 11%. That is still not good for us. We must keep on reducing that figure even to below 2%. 82,450 people. And that 82,450 is broken down as follows: 75,978 adults, 6,472 children who are recorded to be living with HIV in our county here. So that is a very scary figure, a figure of 82,000. That is almost 3/4 of the population of Uriri sub-county. We need to reduce that. There are economic losses that are associated with it, which I mentioned earlier. So generally, we have made